Welcome to the Best Cars, your ultimate source for the latest automotive news and reviews. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of electric vehicles, showcasing the top 5 EVs that are set to dominate the roads in 2025. Stay tuned, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Electric vehicles are no longer just an option, they're becoming the standard. With advancements in battery technology, performance, and design, EVs are revolutionizing the automotive industry. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a performance lover, or someone seeking sustainable solutions, there's something for everyone. In this video, we'll count down the top 5 electric cars you need to know about for 2025. Let's jump right in. Starting our list is the Tesla Model S Plaid Plus, the epitome of innovation and speed. This beast boasts an incredible 520-mile range on a single charge, making it a leader in long-distance electric travel. And that's not all, its jaw-dropping acceleration of 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 1.9 seconds will leave sports car enthusiasts in awe. Tesla's cutting-edge autopilot system, equipped with full self-driving capability, continues to set industry benchmarks. Inside, the minimalist yet luxurious design offers a 17-inch cinematic display, wireless gaming, and even ventilated seats for added comfort. Next, we have the Lucid Air Sapphire, a perfect blend of elegance and efficiency. With an estimated range of 500 miles, this EV caters to those who value both luxury and sustainability. Inside, the Sapphire offers an immersive experience with an advanced infotainment system and state-of-the-art sound quality, ensuring every journey feels first class. Plus, its fast charging capability means you can gain up to 300 miles of range in just 20 minutes, a true game-changer for long trips. For those who crave adventure, the Rivian R1T is a must-see. This all-electric pickup combines rugged durability with innovative features. Its quad-motor all-wheel drive ensures superior traction, making it perfect for off-road escapades. With a range of 400 miles and a towing capacity of 11,000 pounds, this truck is built for explorers who refuse to compromise. Unique extras like the gear tunnel and integrated camp kitchen make it a standout choice for outdoor enthusiasts. The Porsche Taycan Cross Turismo brings Porsche's legendary performance to the electric realm. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.5 seconds, this EV is a thrill to drive. What sets it apart is its versatility. Whether you're commuting in the city or heading on a weekend getaway, the Taycan offers plenty of cargo space without sacrificing speed or style. Its adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth ride, no matter the terrain. Last on our list is the Ford Mustang Mach-E GT, a bold fusion of muscle car heritage and electric innovation. With 480 horsepower, this sleek SUV delivers exhilarating performance. Its range of 270 miles is complemented by advanced connectivity features, including a large touchscreen and voice-activated controls. The Mach-E GT proves you don't have to sacrifice excitement for sustainability. These electric vehicles represent the future of driving, sustainable, innovative, and thrilling. Whether you're looking for luxury, performance, or adventure, the EV market in 2025 has something for everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Best Cars for more insights into the world of automobiles. See you next time.